Good boy. Are you ready? Ready?
Okay, this is Rocco. This is actually Sir Rocco, the mayor of Fishing Creek. Nina, honey. He loves his tennis balls. And he has a brand new haircut.
Ready?
He normally has very long hair, but he got his little summer do.
Ready? Sit. Rocco, sit. Good boy.
Oh, he's so smart. I don't know how old Rocco is.
Good boy. Good boy.
Hey, Rocco.
Rocco, come. Sit. Rocco, sit. Rocco, sit.
Okay, Nina's upset. I'm going to have to go back over there with her. All right, one more time back, Rocco.
Good boy.
He's a very handsome boy. Very talented.
Where's the ball? Drop it. Good boy. Good boy. You ready? Sit. Good boy. Good boy. He's a good boy.
And he would do this all day long if you let him. Rocco, can you look at my camera?
Rocco, look up here.
Rocco. Hey, who is very handsome? Now that is a close-up. Oh, yeah. And we love belly rubs too. Oh, we love to have a belly rub. Yes. I like your new summer do, Rocco. It's very handsome.
Does look like he has a t-shirt on.
He does look like he has a t-shirt on.
I should make you a t-shirt. I should make you a t-shirt.
Now you can get in the pool and you won't be so dripping wet. Okay, I'm going to go back over to Nina before she digs in over here. Hi,
It
Nina.
looks like a lamb that they're
Yeah.
shaved for the
But you can tell how furry he is by the tail.
Yeah, this is what he normally
And he normally has a big, like, lion's mane on him. But he's going to feel so much better in the summer.
I wonder if he'll darken up too, if he's, the fur that's shaved.
Okay, Rocco, say bye-bye to the camera. Okay, be cute one more time. Oh, we're so cute. Oh, it feels so good.